Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of something that you can use for vlogs or something like that. We're gonna try it out in the next couple of days, but as you can see, we have two of these already here on the table. One of it is the Orico sound adapter. Okay, so as you can see here, it's an external USB sound card volume adjustable audio card adapter. We bought it for 319 pesos, but that's not what we're gonna be unboxing right now. We're gonna be unboxing the X7 audio USB headset microphone webcast entertainment streamer sound. Okay, bought it for 661 pesos. It's still the same. If you have watched our videos, you probably saw the V8 that we've done a couple of months ago, and a lot of people keep on messaging us on how to use that. We won't do this now, maybe later once I'm finished with this one. So we're gonna do this X7 audio USB headset microphone. It's a lot smaller than the V8. As you can see, it's so small. Okay, here's the manual. Oh. And inside is, wait. Okay, here are all the cords that are inside the box. So we're gonna put the box away. Diyan lang, okay? We have a cord that's dual 3.5mm jacks. Okay? When I say dual, that means both ends. For me, that means both ends are 3.5mm jacks. Okay? Yeah. Okay. We have another one here. Same again, it's 3.5mm jacks. Exactly the same as the other one. Okay. And we have a micro USB cord. Okay. So here's a quick look of the device. There's a volume, echo, it's supposed to be power. I think there's a light there. Okay, different buttons for the voices, applause, music, hold. I think you can. Oh, it has power, diba? So priority wrap. I don't know what that means. At the back, you can see there's a micro USB port, music, mic, headphone, smartphone. So I assume one of these goes to the smartphone. Okay. And the other one, this one, I don't know, BG Music. If you have a MP4, MP3 player, the microphone, I assume it will work with a condenser mic that like what I have right here. And then the headphones, so you can exactly hear what you're saying. And this one is for the power. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be testing it in a while, and we'll also attach it to the video. So it has power. See, okay. So. Thanks guys, we'll be back. So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we're gonna be doing a live test, which I'm gonna take the video later and add it to the video that we did for the, what's this? The X7 box thingy. Okay, so wait, I forgot the name. Talaga nga bang X7? X7 audio USB. Okay. So I hope you can hear me. So we have it the volume up. Okay. So what I did was I connected one 3.5mm jack from the phone to here, the smartphone setup. I have a headset that I'm wearing right now, and the microphone here is connected to the microphone that I have. So to prove it, I'm gonna tap on the mic. Okay. So looks like this is a smaller version of the V8 that we tested a couple of months ago. So we can change the voices. From now, my voice like this.
Welcome. Hello. So hindi ba kayo natatakot sa akin? Ako po ay isang mumu. Kakainin ko po kayo ng buhay. So
You can change it now. I'm Chipmunk. 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 Chipmunk.
hello? Again is another scary voice.
Hello? Ha? Babae ako? Oh no!
Hello? O tapos ngayon, para akong mamaw. I'm like a monster. Tawa mga kaibigan, mga tawa. Hi Ray Panisales Valdez. Thanks for watching. We're doing a test of the X7 right now. Ang galing, di ba? Palakam!
G 大调，升 G 大调。
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinabi niya in Chinese. Okay. Hello? So yun, this one, I don't know why it's set, there's different settings here for sing, rap, and all that stuff. But you can see, you can even increase the volume of the echo. Echo! 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 Benten! Echo! Echo! You know, so I guess this can work when if you're just doing a live stream in the house, or it might actually even work if you're outside. If you want to do a quick interview, something good about this, if it's just working as I think it is, you don't need a separate phantom power to make your mic condenser work with your cell phone. So the only concern here is only one microphone can be used compared to the V8, which you can connect a couple of other mics. There's also option here to put a input for music, so if probably you're playing the guitar or whatever, and you can charge it via power bank using this port. So that's the quick test for the X7 portable sound thingy. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hi John Dave De Leon, thanks for watching. Teka, babaan natin yung ano. Nabili ko sa Shopee, Shopee, Shopee. Yeah, Shopee. I'll upload the video later. Just trying testing it right now if it works on a live stream, and then we're gonna test it later if it works on a normal video via the phone, so that you can, of course, you can use it to just make stuff when you're doing recordings. Okay, so thanks guys, bye. So hi guys, we're back. We just finished testing it via if it works on a Facebook Live right now. So we're doing another test if this will work, just doing the video via your phone, and it's connected to the microphone and everything else. While I was reading the instructions, it says here, for the voices, press 1 to change the sound of your voice. Monster, women to men, men to women, baby. The laughter, press once for laughter, long press for kiss. That's not a kiss. It was singing. Pinaloko naman nila ako. Okay. Press once for hand clap. Long press for bird call. It's not a bird call, it's a Chinese thingy, okay? The music, you can change the tones from C, C minor, D, D minor, F, or I think it's minor, the hashtag sign. Okay?
E 大调，C 大调，
Hello?
升 A 大调，E 大调。
So it's speaking in Chinese. I don't know why. Okay, so apparently the long press doesn't work. According here to the manual, the micro USB, you can connect it to the PC also. I'm not sure why you would want to do that. The BG mic, you can connect it to a phone to input music or sound effects that you want. The microphone, headphone is smart. It's simple, explanatory, and the smartphone is for the smartphone. So that's the quick unboxing and setup of the X7. I hope it helps. It's on Shopee. Just message us to the Facebook page of Work at Home Pinas if you want to get the link. Thanks guys. Bye.